Meaning of glass.
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 Glass. Glass refers to a hard, brittle, often transparent material typically made by fusing silica together with other minerals at high temperatures. Commonly used for windows, mirrors, containers, and optical lenses, glass has a wide range of applications due to its unique properties such as transparency, durability, and chemical resistance. Glass can also be molded into various shapes and textures to suit different purposes. In addition, glass is recyclable, making it an eco-friendly choice for many products. Overall, glass is a versatile and important material in modern society.